Welcome to ScoreTalk, where we discuss real-life financial stories and tips to navigate through our credit score solution. I'm Jillian, and I'm here with Nick and Kylie. Hi, Jillian. Today, we will be highlighting the credit goals feature within our credit score solution.
I sure have a story for you.
Can't wait to hear it. We will also be covering how to create a goal and navigating through different milestones you want to achieve. Let's get started. Credit goals is a feature within the credit score solution that guides users in setting and achieving their credit score goals. To get started, users click Set up a goal, where they can choose their score goal, preferred timeline, and reason for setting up the goal.
Once their goal is set, users are directed to a dedicated goals page where they can view their current score, track their progress, and access personalized tips for improvement.
Yes, it's so simple to set a credit score goal. You target and choose how many months you'd like to achieve it in. If your situation changes, you can easily adjust your target score or timeline. It's incredibly flexible. The best part is you also get personalized recommendations on how to improve your score and can track your progress along the way. And I have to say, I absolutely love the confetti feature when you reach your goal. It's like the credit score solution is celebrating my success right along with me.
What I really appreciate about credit score goals is how it supports so many of life's milestones. Whether you're saving for something big or planning for the future, this tool helps you get where you want to be.
Absolutely. For example, if you're planning to buy a home, you want to look into mortgage rates or maybe consider a personal loan. The possibilities are endless.
Exactly. That reminds me of a story I wanted to share with you. A friend of mine was getting ready to buy a new home and started researching mortgage rates. He realized that by improving his credit score, he could qualify for much better rates. So he used the credit score goals to work toward a higher score. It made a significant difference in helping him secure a lower mortgage rate.
That's fantastic. I'm so glad your friend was able to achieve his goal and purchase his first home. It really shows the power of setting and working towards credit score goals. Speaking of credit score goals, we received a great question from our previous episode. I'm very interested in credit score goals. Have there been any noticeable results from setting them up? I could take this one. On average, users who set credit goals see their score increase by about 30 points in just 6 months.
That's incredible. 30 points in half a year? It's not only simple to set up a goal, but the results can make a real difference in reaching your financial milestones. The tool is truly a game changer.
Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this session informative. If you have any questions or want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you every step of the way.
Until next time, keep working towards your financial goals, and remember, we're here to support you on your journey. See you on the next episode of ScoreTalk.